Sir, a couple of words of encouragement.
Respected Honorable Member of Parliament and dignitaries of the dais and dear colleagues, this today's function to honor and award the engineering marvels, I think is a very unique, it was a very unique moment, a unique function. I do not recollect occasions when engineering marvels in our country like this have been honored and recognized, and indeed this is a very very unique initiative, very timely initiative of recognizing the engineering marvels, because if we do not do this, I believe we can't have a re-engineered India. And if we want to have a re-engineered India, we have to have excellence in the midst of our engineers. And as somebody just in the beginning said, that in this country, like IIMs, we tend to spoil engineers, we make them managers. How many institutions are there in this country where engineers are taught towards excellence or encouraged systematically towards achieving excellence and higher excellence, and that excellence is recognized? I think that this initiative today is a very positive initiative, and I think this will pave the way for bigger initiatives in times to come, when your achievements in your fields will be recognized in a greater manner, and we like to pay back to you the dues or the due regard and the honor that your efforts, you have been putting your efforts, and from that point of view, what has been done by Engineering Watch, I think is very credit-worthy, very praiseworthy. These young people have done something, they have tried to do something what many of us in the government system have not yet done, or probably we are contemplating to do. And I would like to congratulate all the award winners today. As my esteemed colleague on the dais said, excellence is a matter of passion, and those who achieve excellence, they have given their passion to it, they have given their sweat to it, and if we are recognizing it, I think we are doing our duty towards it. I would like to congratulate once again Engineering Watch for such a marvelous effort. Thank you very much.